Hello, namaste to all.
Yes, sir.
I am Sanskrit teacher from Kendra Vidyalaya Ananagar. Narasimhan, Sanskrit teacher taking class first standard 7th class A and B section. It is online class through digital mode and we welcome the students of class 7th standard to this session. Swagatam bhavata sarvesham sarvata Sanskrit kakshaya. And students of class 7th standard, today your session is between 12 to 12:40. The 7A and 7B, second lesson, Prathama Anucheda, first paragraph. I am showing you first paragraph here. Please switch, make it in a mute mode. Everybody, mute mode.
Kabale. Today I am going to give you reading practice of this lesson. All of you can read after me. I will give a chance for you to reading. I will call one by one. For 2 or 3 lines you have to read. Tejas, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir, I can hear, sir.
Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you able to view my video?
Yes, sir.
Srigda, are you present? Srigda, are you present? Okay, we start the class. Lesson number 2, Dvitiya Pataha. Durbuddhihi Vinashyati, the lesson we are going to learn. Asti Magadha Deshe Pullotpalanama Saraha. Second lesson we are going to read. Durbuddhihi Vinashyati lesson. The title of the lesson is Durbuddhi Vinashyati, heading is given. Durbuddhi means, Du means first in the meaning, Buddhi means knowledge. Vinashyati means destroy. One who is having first Buddhi knowledge, that person will get destroyed. That is the meaning of this heading. Durbuddhi Vinashyati, the lesson. I repeat the title of the lesson. One whose knowledge is very vast, that person will get destroyed. Durbuddhi vinashyati yasya jnanam अथवा यस्य बुद्धिः सम्यक् नास्ति सः नष्टं भवति, तस्य नाशः भवति. Who is here in the world having vast knowledge, that person will get destroyed. First person will get destroyed. It is a heading of the title of this lesson. See this picture. One picture is given, and another one more picture also there here. Only these 2 pages are there for you. In this lesson, I have to complete. If you want, you can take a photo also this lesson, because you are having no textbook. You all are telling to me, so that you can take this. Take photo if you want. I'm going to upload this in the video also. It will come in the video mode. You can see all of you. Asti, I give reading practice today. You can listen. Asti Magadha Deshe Pullotparanama Saraha. Listen to me afterwards. After reading, I will call one by one. You have to read. So that only I am giving you reading practice today. And 1 or 2 paragraphs I try to complete. This session will end with 40 minutes. So mostly 40 or 45 I will complete the session. Then first I will call pages only for reading of first two paragraphs. Please listen carefully and read when I was reading over there. Then listen. अस्ति मगधदेशे पुल्लोत्पलनामसरः तत्र सङ्कटविकटौ हंसौ निवसतः कम्बुग्रीवनामकः तयोः मित्रम् एकः कूर्मः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवसति स्म। अथ एकदा धीवराः तत्र आगच्छन् ते अकथयन् वयं श्वः मत्स्यकूर्मादीन् मारयिष्यामः। एतत् श्रुत्वा कूर्मः अवदत् मित्रे किं त्वाभ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता? अधुना किम् अहं करोमि? हंसौ अवदतां प्रातः यत् उचितं तत् कर्तव्यं। कूर्मः अवदत् मैवं तद् यथाहम् अन्यं रथं गच्छामि तथा कुरुतम्। हंसौ अवदताम् आवां किं करवाव? कूर्मः अवदत् अहम् इवाभ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छामि। हंसौ अवदताम् अत्र कः उपायः? कच्छपः वदति इवाम् कर्कण्डम् एकं चञ्च्वा धारयताम्। अहं कर्कण्डमार्ग मध्ये अवलम्ब्य युवयोः पक्षबलेन सुखेन गमिष्यामि। हंसौ अकथयतां सम्भवति एषः उपायः, किन्तु अत्र एकः अपायः अपि अपायोऽपि सन्धिस्थ अपायोऽपि वर्तते। अपायः प्लस् अपि आवाभ्यां नीयमानं त्वाम् अवलोक्य जनाः किञ्चित् वदिष्यन्ति एव। यदि त्वम् उत्तरं दास्यसि यत् सन्धिस्थ त्वमुत्तरं दास्यसि तदा तव मरणं निश्चितम्। अतः त्वम् अत्रैव वस। सो अत्रैव अत्र प्लस् एव तत्
Hello.
talk in the
Hello,
phone.
Yuri.
Make mute.
நீ சான்ஸ்கிரிட் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கடா, சீக்கிரமா வெபெக்ஸ் ஆப்க்கு வாடா.
Hello. Make
நம்ம சான்ஸ்கிரிட் சார் வந்து சான்ஸ்கிரிட் கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காரு, சீக்கிரமா வெபெக்ஸ் ஆப்க்கு வா. சீக்கிரமா வா.
make mute and talk.
நீ இருக்க, நான் போய் எனக்கு கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு, நான் இருக்கேன், சீக்கிரமா வா.
यदि सत्वरं दास्यामि सत्वरं दास्यसि तदा तव मरणं निश्चितम्। अतः त्वम् अत्रैव वस। तत् श्रुत्वा क्रुद्धः कूर्मः अवदत् किमहं मूर्खः उत्तरं न दास्यामि किञ्चिदपि न वदिष्यामि। अतः अहं यथा वदामि तथा युवां कुरुत। एवं काष्ठदण्डेन रम्यमाणं कूर्मं पौराः अपश्यन् पश्चात् अधावन् अवदन् च யாரும் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. உள்ள வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் முதல்ல மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. Please mute after joining. ஹேமா ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் என்ற நம்பர்ல இருந்து பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க, மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. அனன்யா என்ற நம்பரை மியூட் பண்ணுங்க.
எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க.
Good. They just put a message in the chat. All of you should make mute. In chat today. एवं काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं
ஓகே.
एवं काष्ठदण्डे लम्बमानं कूर्मं पौराः पश्यन् पश्चात् अधावत् अवदन् च अम्भो महदाश्चर्यम् एवं hello make mute don't talk patient இருக்காங்க please tell them or you go to some other place अम्मो महदाश्चर्यं हंसाभ्यां सह कूर्मः अपि कूर्मोऽपि ईयते कश्चित् वदति यद्ययं कूर्मः कथमपि निपतति तदा अत्रैव पङ्क्त्वा खादिष्यामि अपरा वदते जलतीरे दत्त्वा खादिष्यामि अन्या वदति गृहं नीत्वा भक्षयिष्यामि इति तेषां तद् वचनं श्रुत्वा कूर्मः क्रुद्धः जातः मित्राभ्यां दत्तं वचनं विस्मृत्य सः वदते यूयं भस्म खादत तत्क्षणमेव कूर्मः दण्डात् भूमौ पतितः पौरजनैः सह मारितः अतएव उक्तं युधां हितकामानां वाक्यं यो नाभिदण्डति स कूर्म इव दुर्बुद्धिः कष्टात् भ्रष्टो विनश्यति. Likewise, the lesson reading over. Now be ready. Tejas, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You have to read first paragraph until Gantum Ganchami. Yeah, Ganchami up to that. To practice.
Okay, sir.
1 minute I will tell
So
you.
can I read now?
No, I will tell you that time you have to read. I say,
Okay,
Tejas, read. That time you have to read. You have to start reading
Okay,
from
sir.
here, Asti. From there,
Okay, sir.
till Ichchami here. Up to this.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to see this screen? You are able to see the font size is good for you?
Yes, sir. See, sir.
Or you need to make more zoom?
No, sir. No, sir.
It is enough?
Yes, sir.
Get practice for reading. I will tell you that time you have to open video, you have to read. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, Snigdha. Snigdha, are you there on the screen? Snigdha, are you there in the screen? Okay. After reading Tejas, you have to read. Okay? Tejas, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Niharika, are you there on the screen online? Okay, Tejas, ready? Tejas, are you ready? Elaj, you make in mute mode. You are talking there. Elaj, mute mode आइए. Tejas, are you ready to read?
I heard her.
Tejas, are you able to read? Solve the
Able to
problem.
read, sir.
Who is that? Who is speaking? Okay, Srita. Srita.
Sir,
Are you able to read this paragraph?
yes, sir.
Read it.
अस्ति मगधदेशे पुलोत्पलानां सराः तत्र सङ्कटविकटौ हंसै निवसतः
हमसौ.
अम्बुगनामकः हंसौ निवसतः
हाँ.
समुग्रीवनामकः तयोः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवस अत्र एकदा तीव्राः आगच्छन्
हाँ.
वयं स्वः
मत्स्य कूर्मादीने. Okay, enough. That Srita, whether he is present, Janavi here?
Janavi is not there, sir.
Okay. Now you stop. Now Tejas, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
You continue. You continue from where she left. Mara Ishyamaha from there. You can read.
Okay, sir.
Read.
एतत् श्रुत्वा कूर्मः अवदत् मित्रे किं युवाभ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता अधुना किम् अहं करोमि अधुना हंसौ अवदतां प्रातः यद् उचितं तत् कर्तव्यम्
Wait. Say.
Tat kartavyam.
Listen. Repeat after me. Tat.
Okay. Tat
Kartavyam. Continue.
Kurmaha avadat. Maivam tad yataham anyam hridam gacchami tata kurutam. Hansau avadatam. Avam kim karavam Kurmaha avadat. Aham युवाभ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुमिच्छामि.
Okay, good. Anybody wants to read these two paragraphs? Anybody else wants to read? Ananya? Hema? Boys, anybody? Okay, continue.
Sir, can I continue, sir?
No, Tejas enough because I have to teach, the two paragraph only because
Yes, sir.
my,
Yes, sir.
my
Sorry,
time,
sir.
my time is only up to 12:40. I have to finish it teaching. Somebody else
Okay, sir.
voice.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Somebody else voice can, if I want to read one or two lines, they can read. Because I want to know how many are able to hear, are able to understand whatever I teach online. For testing purpose only, I am calling you. If suppose you are not responding or some broadband problem is there, net problem is there, I can continue my teaching. Okay. Tejas, I continue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, introduction I have given you, and title of the lesson I said Durbuddhi Vinashyati. One who is having very vast knowledge, the person will get destroyed, I said you. Now, we go with the reading of the first two paragraphs. I will complete only these two paragraphs today because reading practice I have given. I will record this and I will send you for you all for the purpose of reading the lesson. Today or tomorrow I will be getting next class. I will complete the entire lesson. Today I will explain this first two paragraphs only before 12:40. Asti Magadadeshe
Okay, sir.
Pullopalanama Saraha. And there is a one pond is there. You can see this picture. It is the pond picture. Please make mute mode. Coming. Everybody, please make in mute mode. One or two, please. Yes. Now it is clear. யாரு மீனால் மீனால் மீட் பண்ணுங்க. Sound coming still now. சாய் சரண் மீட் பண்ணுங்க. Some 22 are joined here. Please make mute. உள்ள வந்தோடனே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மியூட் பண்ணிடணும். ப்ளீஸ் மியூட். யாரோ ஒருத்தர் அன்மியூட் வச்சிருக்கீங்க, யாரும் தெரியல எனக்கு. நான் எல்லாரையும் மியூட் பண்ணிட்டேன். சாய் சரண் தான் திருப்பி திருப்பி ஆன் பண்றான். நான் பண்ணாலும் அது டீஃபால்ட் ஆகும். Shall I continue, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
अस्ति मगधदेशे फुल्लोत्पलनाम सरः तत्र सङ्कटविकटौ हंसौ निवसतः कम्बुग्रीवनामकः तयोः मित्रम् एकः कूर्मः अपि तत्रैव प्रतिवसति स्म. अस्ति Magadha one place called Magadha. In that place one pond is there. The pond name is Pullotpal. This is the pond. The pond name is Pullotpal. Saraha means pond, talab. Tatra Sankata Vikatau Hamsau Nivasataha. In that place, there are two swans are living, staying. Here you can see I am showing the cursor. The two swans here. Are you able to view this picture, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These two are swans living in this pond. The name of these two ponds are two swans are. One swan name is Sankata. Another swan name is Vikata. These two are living in the pond. Kambugriva namakaha tayoho mitram ekaha kurmaha api tatraiva prativasati sma. Kurmaha means, tortoise. Here is. Are you able to see this tortoise, everybody?
Yes, sir.
I made zoom here. See here. These two are called swans. To say in Sanskrit for swan, Hamsaha. Two swans are there, so that it is Hamsau. The name of these two swans are called, it is given Sankata and Vikata. Sankata Vikata. To say in Sanskrit for Tata is Kurmaha. So these two swans are living in the pond, and one Tata is also living here in the pond. That Tata's name is called Kambugriva. Kambugriva. Name is Kambugriva. Simply. Okay. Tatreva Pativasati Sma. And living here in this pond. Yeshaha Saraha Asti. Yeshaha Saraha Asti. Atra Hamsau Nivasatau Staha. Hamsau Nivasatau Bhavataha. अत्र एव एकः कूर्मः अपि वसति स्म कूर्मस्य नाम कम्बुग्रीवः हंसस्य नाम सङ्कटः अन्यस्य हंसस्य नाम विकटः अत एकदा धीवराः तत्र आगच्छन्ति Dhivaraha means, fisherman. After sometimes one day, the fisherman, here you can see the fisherman. These are called in Sanskrit Dhivaraha. Yeteke Dhivaraha. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha kurmaha. Etau kau? Etau hamsau. After some days, Tatra Dhivaraha agachan. For this pond, the fishermen, they are coming. Fishermen coming. Te agatayan. Te means, fisherman. Dhivaraha told, Vayam swaha matsya kurmadina marayishama. Tomorrow, Vayam we all, swaha tomorrow, matsya kurmadina. The Matsya means fishes, Kurma means tortoise. Marayishama will kill. Etat Shutva Kurmaha vadati. Shutva Shravanam Kritva, after listening. Kurmaha vadate, tortoise said, Mitre, Kim Yuvabhyam Dhivaranam Varta Sutta. Oh my friend, you both of you are able to hear the voice of this fisherman. Aduna kim aham karami. Now what I will do? Hamsau avadatam. Swans were telling. Prataha yatu uchitam tatkartavya. Swans were telling. Two swans. Morning let us see. Best one. Kulma avadat. Tata said. Maiva. Tata says. No. Not like that. Tada yata aham anyam radam gacchami tatha kurutam. No. You should make me to go to some other pond. Likewise you have to make. Because tomorrow morning the fishermen they are coming here. So that I do not want to live in this pond. You have to take me from this pond to some other pond. For that you have to plan. Likewise, Tata said to them. Hamsau avadatam, swans were telling, Avam kim karavava, what we both of us will do. Kurmavadat. Tata said, Aham yuvabhyam saha akasa margena anyatra gantam ichchami. And Tata said, I want to come with you both in the way of airway. It is called Akasa Marga. Akasa sky. Airway. Means what? As flights are running, it is called airway. Anyatra gantam ichchami. I want to go to some other place with you both. I want to come. Likewise, the Tata is. Asyanucchedasya ayamartaha. Ekasmin dine dhivaraha tatra agachanti. Dhivaraha tatra agatya. Pond. Agatya. Evam chintayanti. Swaha pravata kale matsya kurmadina hadanam kurmaha marayishyama. एतत् श्रुत्वा कूर्मः वदति स्म इवाभ्यां धीवराणां वार्ता श्रुता धीवराः अत्र आगत्य किं वदन्ति स्म अहं किं करोमि अहं कूर्मः अस्मि भवन्तौ हंसौ स्तः खगौ स्तः खगौ भवतः पक्षी अस्ति पक्षी विङ्ग भवति विङ्ग तेन ताभ्यां भवन्तौ आकाशमार्गेण भवन्तौ गच्छतः स्म प्रातः यत् तदानीं किम् अहं करोमि अहं किं करोमि इति कुर्मः हंसः वदतां प्रातः यत् उचितं तत् कर्तव्यं प्रातःकाले चिन्तयामः उचितं चिन्तयामः कूर्मः वदति स्म न न न अहम् अपि इतः अन्यत्र कुत्रापि गन्तुम् इच्छामि अन्यत् सरः हंसो हंसौ वदतः स्म आवां किं करवाम आवां हंसौ इत्यर्थः कूर्मः वदति टाटा सैड् अहं युवाभ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण अन्यत्र गन्तुम् इच्छामि कूर्मः वदति अहमपि युवाभ्यां हंसाभ्यां सह आकाशमार्गेण स्कैवे अन्यत्र अनदर वन पॉन्ड गन्तुम् इच्छामि hiking. See here the picture. Two swans are here. One tata is here. Some fishes are here. Fishermen are coming here. And one day what happens? In this pond, these two swans are living. One tata is also living. These all are friends. One day morning, the fishermen were coming here and discussing each of them and telling to them, tomorrow morning or one day we come and take this all the fishes and this tata is also. Telling so they went. Then the tata is very much worried about leaving in this pond because next day they will come and take. So the tata has told these swans, please take me also to some other place from here. That swan said, how it is possible? Then tata said, as you both will fly in the air, likewise I will also will join with you both. How it is possible? Likewise the swans were telling. So that is these two paragraphs. I hope you all are able to understand these two paragraphs. You have any doubts? You are able to understand Tejas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is interaction session. By this, I am going to conclude today's class. Tomorrow we'll continue after discussing with you all. If you are ready, I can ask you some questions. I give you some time for reading only these two paragraphs. Please read. Okay, can I ask you some questions from this?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully my questions. Question from first sentence. Ekada ke tatra agachanne. Tejas, you can try. Ekada ke tatra agachanne. One word answer.
Sir, I can tell.
Sir,
Say.
एकदा दीवाराः तत्र अगच्छन्.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. To whom I can ask? They can come on video, otherwise tell the name. Snigdha. Tejas,
Sir.
will you tell me another question?
Okay, sir. I will try, sir.
Okay, now see here. I'm showing the cursor. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Kau avadatam. Question I asked you. Kau avadatam. One word answer only.
Sir, I can't understand. Can you tell another time?
Kau avadatam. Kau avadatam.
Hansav avadatam. Hansav avadatam.
Avadatam. Over. Good. Anybody else will interact with me? Nikhil, Snigdha, Snigdha. Okay. Tejas, will you try to
Yes, sir.
another one more?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. See the question I'm showing in the cursor.
Okay, sir.
Kaha avadate. Kaha avadate. Kaha.
Kurmaha
Ah,
avadat.
very good. Again, next. Kabhyam saha. Kabhyam saha.
Yubabhyam sah.
Good. Next. Kena anyatra. Kena anyatra.
Sir, I can't see the cursor, sir.
Why?
Now I can see, sir.
Ah. Kena anyatra. You have to zoom your page.
Okay, sir.
Kena anyatra.
Sir, I'm Dia. Can I answer?
Please tell Dia. I am waiting for you only. You are not interacting with me.
Sorry, sir. Akash Magreen.
Akasha Margena.
Akasha Magrena.
Okay, Dia, did you attended my class from the beginning or just now?
No, sir. No, sir. When you started teaching, that time only I started.
Okay, good, good. Now, will you tell me some questions which I ask you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now show the. Are you able to see me?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
My voice is audible for you to listen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the board. Second line.
Okay, sir.
Kau nivasataha. One word answer only. Kau nivasataha.
Sankata Vikatau Hansau.
Okay.
Vasataha.
Okay, will you read this first two line from Asti Magadadese?
Okay, sir. Asti Magadadeshe Fulloptapanam Saraha Tatra Sankat Vikatau Hansau Nivasataha Kambugriva Namakaha Kambugriva Namakaha Tayo Mitran Ekaha Kumra Api Tatrai Prativasti Smam.
Okay. Continue. Your word is audible for me. Continue. Atta ekada.
Ada Ekada Divaraha Tatra Agachan. Te ekatyan Vayam Shvaha Matyasya.
So, te akatayanne. Say,
Sorry, I can't get you, sir.
te akatayanne.
Te akatayane.
Okay, stop. Stop 1 minute. Dia, tell me what happened in our class. You are A section. That student, someone student in our class. What is her name?
Ellen.
Ellen is not there, huh?
Yes, sir. She's not there, sir.
Then one girl will be there for us. Our class. What is her name? She is pretty good. Okay. Okay, Dia, I'm going to conclude the session.
Okay, sir.
Tejas, I'm going to conclude the session. Two paragraphs are completed. We'll continue by remaining next class.
Okay, sir.
And you have any doubts, you can ask to me.
No, sir.
Okay, listen
No,
to me
sir.
some. Okay, listen me some instruction again, all of you. That there are three
Okay, sir.
platforms we are using. One is WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, you have to send me the message. Only the message sending WhatsApp we use. Okay. Then second one is all of you please register yourself in Google Classroom application. In that you have to send your classwork homework every page, whatever I give you. And the second one is face-to-face digital mode online learning through WebEx. So these three platforms we are using. Please inform to your friends and parents to follow these instructions very sincerely. Clear? It is clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then homework from this lesson. Please note down, take a paper and notebook always whenever you come to learning. You have to keep one rough note and note down whatever I give the homework to you all. Please come always with uniform wearing ID card and sit here opening the video and learn. This is for boys. Girls are is option only. Note down the homework from this. Please write these two paragraphs. In our Sanskrit homework side. After writing some questions, I asked you 4 or 5 questions to the Tejas and Diya. That you write the question and write the answer after we discuss over. It is information to all the students of this class. Whatever I was taking class today, here this one. It is on recorded. This recordings I will send you through video mode for your learning and to revise again. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
is there? You can clarify. Otherwise, I conclude the session. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Okay, shall I conclude the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is your. I conclude the session today. I am your Sanskrit Master Narasimhan taking class for 7th standard. Lesson number 2. Completed first 2 paragraph. धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaha, sir.
Dhanyavadaha, sir.
Sir. Dhanyawad.
Next class, I will inform to you through the WhatsApp. Till that time, I take leave. Be safe. Stay at home. Study at home. धन्यवादः.
Dhanyawad.